agenda is I'm going to discuss about on how to solve continuous probability distribution and the expected value of a random variable based on the partial question 5. The question has stated the density function as shown on the screen. From there we know that this question is a continuous variable. But what if the question does not state which type of variable the question is? Continuous random variable is also known as density function for a random variable. How do we know it is a continuous random variable? A continuous probability distribution differs from a discrete probability distribution in several ways. The probability that a continuous random variable will assume a particular value is zero. As a result, a continuous probability distribution cannot be expressed in tabular form. Instead, an equation or formula is used to describe a continuous probability distribution. Let's go right through the question. The question asks us to show that k is equal to 6. First thing first, we need to know which type of formula we need to state the function that we will use to solve the question. Next, we need to find the formula to solve it based on the question. For this type of question, we need to use the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity of function x equal to 1. Then insert the value which is 0 and 1 to the integral followed by its function x which is k open bracket x minus x square and bracket. After inserting all of the given values needed, the last thing we need to do is solve it. After expanding the function x and dx, we will execute the integral from 0 to 1 with a square bracket from 0 to 1. Then insert the upper number of the bracket which is 1 into the fx in the first square bracket minus with the fx in the second square bracket that needs to be inserted with the value of lower number for the second bracket which is 0 equal with 1. After done solving the two equations of the bracket and subtract them, we will get 1 over 6k equal to 1. Bring the 6 to the right and it has shown that we will get k is equal to 6. Next to the question B. The question asks us to find the probability of 0.2 less than x and x less than 0.8. Firstly, we need to know the formula needed for us to solve this type of question. What is the formula? The formula is integrals from a to b of function x. Then the next step is inserting the given value of a and b to the function x, which is 0.2 and 0.8, and the function x is 6, which is the value of k open bracket x minus x squared close bracket dx. Then we are ready to solve the question. Same with the first question, after expanding the function x and dx, we will execute the integral from 0.2 to 0.8 with square bracket from 0.2 to 0.8. Then insert the upper number of the bracket which is 0.8 into the function x in the first square bracket minus with the function x in the second square bracket that needs to be inserted with the value of lower number for the second bracket which is 0.2 and solve it. Then we will get the answer of the probability of 0.2 less than x and x less than 0.8 which is 0.792. Let's proceed to the last question which is C. The question asks us to find the expectation value of 3x plus 5. Firstly, we need to use formula expectation x equal to integral from a to b of x multiplied with fx dx. Then find expectation of x and insert the given value of a, b, and the fx along with the expectation of x that we get to the formula that we stated just now. Using the formula that we have stated just now, we will find expectation of x by inserting given value by the question that creates the equation of integral from 0 to 1 of x multiplied 6 open bracket x minus x squared close bracket dx. After solving the question, we will get the expectation of x is 1 over 2. To find the answer of expectation of 3x plus 5, we need to separate the equation by 3 expectation x plus expectation 5. Then insert the value of ex, which is 1 over 2. Expectation value of 5 is a constant value, hence the answer is 5. 3 multiply 1 over 2, which is the answer of of expectation value of x we get just now plus with 5, we will get the answer which is 13 over 2 and done. We have answered all of the question number 5 in this video. Thank you for watching.